have a few new flashing light phenomena videos to share with you guys from different locations. One location being France, one being Finland. The gentleman didn't think he would ever see the flashing lights up in Finland until he did. We're going to go to Portland and we're going to go to Idaho. This first segment has narration. Here we go.
Well, I don't believe this. I wasn't going to believe that this was going to happen in Finland. And here we go.
Finland, Kimmo, he couldn't believe it until he saw it with his own two eyes. The flashing light phenomena showed up over in Finland. Video number 2, going to France. This is my first video out of France. This video also has narration.
This is crazy. It's happening everywhere.
Video footage sent in by Jules from February 11th of 2025. The video from Finland was February the 12th. This phenomena isn't showing any signs of slowing down, much like the earthquake swarms. It seems like it's getting stronger. Going up to Portland, Oregon now. This video also has narration. More flashing lights.
Jason from Portland, Oregon. Here we go. Mr. BP333. Here's some lights going. The Fritz going crazy.
That was Jason out of Portland, Oregon from just a few days ago. Going up to Hayden, Idaho. This video also has narration by Linda. Here we go.
Another flashing one. It's not a trip lamp, and I didn't set it up to do this, and I've never seen it do that. It's one of those touch ones. That's off. Oh, it seems fine now. Oh. Check out up here. Yeah, well, I'll show you the reflection. You can kind of see that it's doing something weird. Okay, that's our Idaho flash.
And as you can see, the light on the ceiling was also malfunctioning. And as you could see, it had some sort of a strange pulse going on. And then, of course, the light there on the table had a very obvious pulse going on. So the flashing light phenomena continues. Video footage, once again, from France, Finland, Portland, and Idaho.